Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss a previous year GATE question on electronics device. According to the given numerical, it is written that the built-in potential is given by 0.75 volt of a PN junction diode, and the PN junction diode is of abrupt type. And also it is given that when the reverse bias potential, so this is the reverse bias potential, is 1.25 volt, then the capacitance is 5 picofarad, and when the reverse bias is 7.25, so we have to find the value of the junction capacitance Cj will be what? Now we know that the junction capacitance Cj will be proportional to 1 by root over of Vbi, that is the built-in potential, plus the reverse bias potential. Now for the first case, when the reverse bias potential is 1.25, we can say that C1j is equals to 5 picofarad, and this will be proportional to 1 by root over Vbi means 0.75 plus 1.25. Next, if I find the C2j, that is the case 2, it will be proportional to 1 by root over Vbi means 0.75 plus Vr, and Vr is given by 7.25. So if we make a ratio of C2j by C1j, then I can write it as root over of, so for the C2j it will come as 0.75 plus Vr, and it will be 0.75 plus 1.25, and this Vr value is given by 7.25, and this C1j value is given by 5 picofarad, means 5 into 10 to the power minus 12 farad. So from this equation we can calculate the value of C2j, that is the capacitance value of the junction at the reverse bias voltage 7.25 volt, will be equals to 2.5 picofarad. So this is the value of the junction capacitance at the reverse bias voltage 7.25 volt. Thank you.